Hey there, welcome back. If you are seeing an error that says NVLDUMD.DLL is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error, don't panic. In this video, I will walk you through a few easy steps to fix it. This issue is usually related to your NVIDIA graphics driver, and it can show up when launching games or even regular apps. Let's start with the first fix. Go ahead and press Windows key plus R and type appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. That will open your list of installed programs. Now scroll down and find anything that says NVIDIA, like NVIDIA Graphics Driver, PhysX, or GeForce Experience. Right-click each one and hit Uninstall. Don't worry, we will reinstall the latest version in just a minute. Once you removed all NVIDIA-related programs, restart your computer. This clears up temporary files and resets some settings. After your system is back on, open your browser and go to NVIDIA.com. Hover over Drivers, then click GeForce Drivers. Now enter your graphics card model or use the Auto Detect feature if you are not sure. Once your driver is selected, download it and then run the installer. After installation finishes, restart your PC again. If the issue was caused by a corrupted driver file, this clean install should fix it completely. Still getting the error? No problem. Let's try checking system files next. Press Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Now in the black window, type this command sfc/SCANNOW, then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning your system for any corrupted files and fix them automatically. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and let it finish. Once it says the scan is complete, restart your PC one more time. Check if the error still appears. As a final step, go back to the desktop and right-click on your display. Choose NVIDIA Control Panel. If it opens without any error, congratulations, it worked. If it still shows the error, you might want to update DirectX or run Windows Update. This will make sure all system components are up to date. And there you go. That's how you fix the NVLDUMD.DLL bad image error on Windows 10 or 11. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.